When is a rain garden a pollinator garden, and when is a pollinator garden a rain garden? Native plant gardens, ecological landscaping, can serve multiple functions, or as we say in permaculture, stacked functions. In this case, certainly habitat. This happens to be a community service project, so the first step is to design it properly, select the right plants for the right spot. We have a variety of native plants. The key to successful pollinator pathway gardens is something's blooming from spring to fall. So there's a continuum of both color and attractions for pollinators. That means nectar sources, some structure, which is the birch tree, some shrubs that fruit and flower, and a variety and diversity of biology here. From a rain garden point of view, it is going to do a much better job, this native plant garden, with grasses and perennials, shrubs, and a tree than the grasses, which means it'll accept the sheet flow from above this area, and as the water comes down here, it infiltrates the ground, and as it absorbed and also percolates down into the aquifer, recharging the groundwater. That's assisted by what we call the root to shoot mass ratio of this tremendous biomass above the ground equal to the roots below the ground. So structure, composition, much like music, it's telling a story. So the biology is here, the artistic composition is here. Whether the purpose is to capture rainwater, which this does, or to support pollinators, which this does, it's all ecological landscaping. As we look to improve the health of all creatures, great and small, humans and all life on Earth, we start by reimagining what can improve and be better. Aesthetically attractive, artistically creative, and ecologically productive.